Hello guys, welcome now to King Fish King. As you can see now, this is a p2p platform and the script is available. Message me on WhatsApp to get the script. The script is not as expensive as it looks, but it's quite presentable and it's affordable. Message me. This is a p2p script. It works 100%. As you can see, this is how it is. This is the user interface, and I'll be logging into the admin. As you can see now, I'm logging into the admin section so that you can see how to control your p2p website. Message me. The script is available. Do it to message me now. Message me on this. The script is available. Let us make together. As you can see, I'm logging in now. I'm logging in. There's a p2p platform. This is script. Yes, I just logged in. As you can see, this is how it is. You can control every single thing. The person that PH, who GH. You can use Bitcoin and Ethereum. It supports crypto also. It has multiple plugins, multiple themes, and you can edit the color and every other thing you want. So watch and thank you very much. Do it to like and subscribe. Thank you.